Good afternoon, friends. In this CSS video tutorial series, we have learned in our previous video text shadow. In this tutorial, we'll learn about CSS font, how to decorate, use fonts, how to select fonts, how to decorate fonts. So let us open VS Code and have an HTML boilerplate using CSS fonts. Let us link style sheet css style.css since the style.css file is inside the css folder. Now let us take an h1 tag learning css fonts. Let us take a div tag lorem 30. Open in the live server and see this is the initial stage before styling with css. Now style with css. h1 tag first text align. Let us text align center. Now default font is this. Now we can change the font family. To select the font, you should say right font family property. Now you can select any one from here. Say we have chosen Verdana, Geneva, Tahoma, Sans Serif. Now see the font has been changed. This is a very good looking font. I will use quite often. Now font size. By default, H1 tag displays 32 pixel font. Now we can change it to 48 pixel or anything you want as per requirements. See 48 pixel font size change. Now font color, just write color, no need to write font color. Color is say for example blue. Font color has been changed. So in this tutorial, our objective was to select font family. I mean different kinds of font. So font family, we can change it to, let's again write font family. Let's change it to Arial, Helvetica, Sans Serif. See, the font has been changed. Now choose the div tag and font family. There is a shortcut FF font family serif only. See, font family has been changed. Let us style it little bit with 500 pixel margin. What is it? Auto. If we use margin auto, it will align equally at the center and space in both sides will be equal. Let's make it 1000. Then it will look more beautiful. Let's increase the number of words. Lorem 100. Oh no. Div lorem 300. So now it is not justified, so we can do it. Text align justify. See, it is justified. Text color We can do that. Now we have seen font family, font color, font and everything, but there is a shorthand way to write text, font, family. What is that shorthand? Let me see in the W3 school. Font. Just write only font. Font, family, Arial, Helvetica, Sans, Serif, color red, justify. Let's see H1 tag, text align center, do it center. No, text align we have to use. So friends, we have seen a beautiful, sorry, styling, font family, color of the font, and text align. Text align we have made center for the H1 tag. For deep tag, text align justify, since we have used more words with 1000 pixel margin auto, and it align the text at the center, keeping both sides equal space. And the outlook is like this. So this is the way we can use font family. Suppose in this text we can change the font family. Font ff font family serif. See, font family has been changed. Now if we want Times New Roman, then what is the difference? If we want the Vardana, font family has been changed. We can change also the font size, font style italic. Let's see, font style becomes italic. Let us font size 12 pixel. Font size has been changed. So this is the way we can style the font, giving the font family, giving the font size, font colors, everything. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please continue watching and subscribe my channel. Please give a like or share if you like my videos.